Hey everybody, how's it going? So, while I'm sitting here enjoying my nice cold house with the AC, and I put a fan in front of it to blow it throughout the house, there's people out there suffering because their HOA or their over 55 park won't allow window air conditioners, which are putting people in the hospital because they're just literally sweating to death in their trailers, double wides, whatever this park happens to be. South Bend Mobile Home Park continues to ban window AC. So I see this poor dude right here on oxygen. You can see the tank. I'm well versed with these. And the South Bend, it's like, what is wrong with these freaking people? So they've got extreme heat warning, high humidity, and I can't believe it. There is a way around this. For you people that are suffering and sweating to death in your place, buy yourself a portable air conditioner. And I'll show you outside what it is. Oh my God. It's hot. It's supposed to be 95 degrees and it's humid because it rained like crazy yesterday. And I mowed 3 lawns in the little pouring rain. I was drenched. My jeans have never weighed so much. So, as you look down the side of my house, I've got an air conditioner. This is the master bedroom. There's AC in this window. Why can't you see it? Because it's just a tube. And this is it. Right there. That's all you see on the outside. And they come with a longer slider pieces, which I lost. So I had to put just a piece of foam board in. So there's an 8,000 BTU air conditioner. And this is all you see. So if somebody drives by your place, they don't see no air conditioner in the window. And it works absolutely amazing. And if you even wanted to be more, I don't know what the hell it is, you can cut a dryer vent in your house and plug the pipe into the dryer vent so it looks like you're running a dryer. But when this is running, it's so quiet, you can't even hear it. So instead of, oh my God, once you get into the sun, it feels like your skin catches on fire. I just feel sorry for these people. People in HOAs, you'd never see me living in an HOA telling me what the hell I can and can't do. And these trailer park owners telling these senior citizens that they can't have AC should be arrested. Here's this big son of a gun. This is a 3-ton unit. It runs on 220 and I have to support it. So this is what they don't want to see. They don't want to see these sticking out of your house. Now, since I live out in the country and I own my own property, I can do whatever the hell I want. And I got nobody telling me what to do. But it takes 2 people to lift this up. And then I put a support board on the bottom while it's hot, because I don't want all the weight hanging on my windowsill. So this is your way to get around your trailer park. Go to Walmart, buy a portable air conditioner. They're on wheels, and all you have to do is hook a pipe up to your window. So you open up your bedroom window about 4 inches, leave the screen on, and then that's it. Going in. Oof. Come back in here. And yes, we're on oxygen too. And we have an oxygen machine right here. And I'll take you into the messy bedroom and I'll show you what's going on in there. So this is a window air conditioner. And all it does, the pipe comes out the back and it blows and it just goes outside, and that's all you see. So now you know. That's how you get around this crap. Buy yourself, go to Walmart, get a portable air conditioner. It's got wheels on it. You can roll it from window to window. And all you do is you come over to your window and you open it up about 4 inches, you put in this plastic thing in the vent, and that's it. And nobody will ever tell, unless they're standing next to your window, that you've got air conditioning. Why is this thing stuck? Damn cat. There we go. All right, everybody. I hope this helps out some of the people that are literally sweating to death. What do you think? Yeah? Even the kitty's happy. Well, time to add water into the concentrator. All right, everybody. I'll catch you later. Have a good one.